Windows 10 is the latest operating system of Microsoft, which has several excellent features. One of these features is the ability of the user to resize the desktop icons to suit their preferences. Hey guys, in this video, I will share with you a couple of ways on how to make desktop icons smaller. First method, right-clicks. The easiest way to resize the desktop icon is by right-clicking on an empty space on your desktop. The window will pop up where you have to choose the view option. You will then get to choose from 3 options: large icons, medium icons, and small icons. Choose the size that you prefer or best suit your eyes. Second method, use your keyboard and mouse. Another way to make your desktop icons smaller is by using the keyboard and mouse combination. Minimize all windows on the desktop and then press and hold the Control key on the keyboard. Scroll your mouse wheel downwards to make the icons smaller or upward to make them bigger. If you want, you could also make the taskbar icons smaller for the sake of uniformity. If you want small desktop icons, just right-click on the taskbar and choose Taskbar Settings. Now, enable or disable the switch under your small taskbar buttons. I hope that this simple guide has been helpful. Please make sure to like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more videos in the future.